Welcome back to the cafeteria. Today I am making three of my favorite drinks to have once the weather starts to get cold. And the first one I'm making is a pumpkin spice latte. So I'm going to start off by putting in some pumpkin spice syrup and then my shots of decaf coffee because I didn't have decaf espresso. Next, I'm going to add in some warm milk. Then I'm going to top it off with some whipped cream and then a little more pumpkin spice on top. And that is it for this pumpkin spice latte at home. Moving on to my next drink, I'm going to be making a white chocolate hot chocolate. And this is perfect for people who think that milk chocolate or dark chocolate is just too much. This is perfect. So I'm going to start by putting some melted white chocolate chips into my glass. Next, I'm going to add a shot of vanilla. This is the game changer. You got to make sure you add that shot of vanilla. Next, I'm going to add my steamed milk, stir it all up, and then I'm going to top it with some whipped cream and marshmallows and a little drizzle of the melted white chocolate. Lastly, my favorite drink of the three, a caramel macchiato. Now I'm going to start off with a shot of vanilla, then I'm going to add my warm milk, and on top of that I'm going to gently pour my decaf coffee. And using decaf coffee, it tastes exactly the same, if not better to me, but I'm just going to pour my decaf coffee slowly on top because since it's not espresso, it's not really going to stay on top like it's supposed to, but I'm gonna make it work. Now, usually caramel macchiatos have foam on top, but I prefer whipped cream, so I'm gonna use that, and then I'm gonna drizzle some caramel sauce on top, and that is it for this caramel macchiato. And here they are, all three drinks looking lovely and delicious. I hope you enjoyed these drinks as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.